Are you looking for a smarter way to plan, manage, and control your projects from start to finish? Well, you are in the right place. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart software walkthroughs and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into EcoSys from Hexagon, the powerful project portfolio management software designed to give you complete visibility, control, and confidence in your projects. So, whether you're managing a single project or an entire portfolio, EcoSys is built to keep your budgets, schedules, and resources right on track. So, we will dive in and see why EcoSys is becoming a go to solution for PPM professionals worldwide. So, let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of hexagon.com. And on the top corner, if you wanted to request for a free trial access, you need to click the Contact Us option. This will forward you to a new page. All you have to do is provide all the information needed and type in free trial access. If your request for the free trial has been approved, one of the sales experts here will contact you. Otherwise, if you're not happy with doing all these and you just wanted to know more about Hexagon without doing all the information, don't worry, we got you. What we can do is go back here on the main homepage and look for EcoSys because we can check all these sections so that together we can learn more about the platform. We can go to the features and benefits, use cases, client success stories, related content, support and success, and of course, related product. Now, we're going to focus on the features and benefits. Okay, so one of the features here in Hexagon EcoSys is going to be the project portfolio management. Because with this tool, you can manage the entire portfolio of projects from a high level perspective. Now, that means it helps you select, prioritize, and align projects with business goals, providing visibility across all ongoing and planned projects so decision makers can allocate resources effectively, which is useful for balancing risks, costs, and benefits across the portfolio. Next in line is we have the project controls and project management. With this, you now have the ability to handle the execution and monitoring of projects to ensure they stack on track. All right, it tracks progress, costs, scope, and schedules in real time. It integrates control processes like cost control, change management, and risk tracking. It bridges the gap between strategic planning and day-to-day execution. All the while, you have the project planning and scheduling plus estimating. All right, so with this, you can focus on creating realistic project timelines and budgets, allowing detailed work breakdown and activity scheduling, supports accurate costs and resources estimates before execution begins. So it helps in detecting potential delays and budget overruns early. And then we have the earned value and performance management. Now with this, you can track actual performance compared to the project plan. You can use earned value management or EVM metrics like Cost Performance Index or CPI and Schedule Performance Index or SPI. It measures whether you are ahead on or behind schedule and over or under budget. It gives early warning indicators for corrective action. And you have access to the budgeting and forecasting. With this, it enables the creation of project budgets and ongoing financial forecasts, allocating funds to tasks, phases, or departments. You can monitor spending patterns and predicts final project costs based on current trends. It keeps financial targets in sync with actual progress. And then we have capital budget and funding. With this, you can focus on long-term investments in infrastructure, facilities, or major projects because it helps you evaluate and prioritize large capital expenditure or CapEx initiatives because you have the ability to track sources of funding and ensures compliance with corporate or government approvals. It helps justify big projects through ROI and feasibility analysis. And of course, you also have the resource planning and management. It helps you ensure the right people, equipment, and materials are available when needed. You can assign resources to specific tasks while preventing overallocation. It tracks utilization rates and capacity, optimizing workforce and asset use to reduce downtimes and delays. And then we also have the contract management. Now, with this, you can manage contracts and vendor relationships within projects. It tracks obligations, deliverables, and deadlines. It helps control costs by monitoring contract changes, payments, and claims, reducing risks related to compliance and legal issues. Of course, you have the shutdowns, turnarounds, and outages. With this, you can handle planned stoppages for maintenance, upgrades, or inspections. It's very common in industries like oil and gas, power plants, and manufacturing, so you can plan the entire process to minimize downtime and costs. You can track work progress, safety compliance, and schedule adherence during these critical events. Now, very quickly, I'm going to show you some related products to Hexagon EcoSys, which is going to be the EcoSys Connect. Now, with this, it acts as the integration hub for EcoSys. It's designed to connect EcoSys with other enterprise systems like ERP, scheduling tools, procurement platform, and a lot more, so that data flows smoothly between them. Now, with this, you can have like an automated data exchange, multiple integration methods, real-time sync, configurable workflows, ensuring all your tools speak the same language, which improves accuracy and decision making. All the while, you also have the EcoSys documents. All right, well, with this, it provides document management capabilities inside EcoSys so that all project-related documents are stored, organized, and accessible in one place. With that, you now have the ability for central repository, version control, access control, search and tagging, integration with workflows so that you can keep your team aligned by ensuring the right documents are always available and traceable. And with that being said, and that wraps up our dive into EcoSys from Hexagon. If your business is managing multiple complex projects and you need a centralized solution to keep your teams aligned, costs under control, and performance measurable, EcoSys is absolutely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.